everyone, and welcome back to NavYugKids School Assembly News. Today is 10th June 2026 and here are the top headlines for the day. Let's begin with the national news.
National news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is said to become the longest serving elected Prime Minister in India's history on 10th June, surpassing the record previously held by Jawaharlal Nehru. The 5-day BRICS Agriculture Ministers Meeting is being held in Indore, with participation from 21 countries to discuss agricultural cooperation, innovation and food security.
International news. Israel and Iran have paused direct military strikes following diplomatic efforts, raising hopes for reduced tensions and greater stability in the Middle East. The DG of WHO has visited Uganda to review the steps being taken to prevent the spread of Ebola in the region.
Karnataka state news. The IMD has issued a red alert for Karnataka on 10th June, with heavy to very heavy rainfall expected across many parts of the state as the southwest monsoon advances.
Sports news. India successfully hosted the first World Yogasana Sport Championship in Ahmedabad, where Indian athletes topped the medal table with an outstanding performance.
Thought of the day. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. BB King. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.